Hello and welcome to ChiaoGoo. In this video, we will review how to use your tightening key to connect your cables to your needle tips, as well as cable connectors, end stoppers, and adapters. Let's begin with our stainless steel tips and red lace cables. You will first want to locate the lifeline hole found on the ends of your cables. Simply use the key as a handle to help you grasp and tighten the connection. In the same manner, you may use the tightening key to aid in removing your needle tips. Next, let's try it with a cable connector. Cable connectors are used to join two or more cables together to make a longer cable. They also have a built-in tightening hole where you may insert a tightening key for an easier grip. Once that's on, screw on your additional cable. Insert a key into both cable ends and give them a firm twist. Now let's try it using our bamboo tips and spin cables. Spin nylon cables allow the needle tips to swivel freely. They also have lifeline holes which can be used with a tightening key. When connecting your cables, be sure to grasp only onto the stainless steel parts when twisting. This will protect your bamboo tips and nylon spin cables from unnecessary wear. Moving on to the interchangeable twist shorties. One notable difference with the shorty tips is that sizes US 0 through 3, 2-inch and 3-inch tips, and sizes US 4 through 8, 2-inch tips are solid stainless steel and come with a built-in tightening hole. This provides additional leverage when connecting to cables. Note the 3-inch shorty tips sizes US 4 through 8 are hollow and do not have the additional tightening hole. The twist shorty sets in sizes US 0 through 3 come with mini red cables, so the tightening keys provided are also mini to fit their smaller size. These smaller red cables consist of a multi-strand steel cable coated with red nylon, and just like our small and large red and blue cables, they are also memory-free and have a lifeline hole to assist in tightening and placing lifelines as you knit. They also have their own mini-size cable connectors included with the set. Similar to the shorties, our Twist Mini stainless steel lace interchangeable system with 4-inch tips are solid stainless steel with a built-in tightening hole. They come with the mini red cables that also have a lifeline hole to aid in tightening. Last but not least is our T-Spin Tunisian Crochet interchangeable set. These bamboo crochet hooks have a stainless steel join in both small and large sizes depending on the hook size. The interchangeable set comes with small cables only, so an additional adapter from large join to small cable is included, as well as end stoppers to hold your stitches on the cable as you work. The cables, adapters, and end stoppers all have tightening holes for use with tightening keys. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at www.chiaogoo.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media for all of the latest news and product information at Official ChiaoGoo on Instagram and ChiaoGoo on Facebook.